everyone, welcome back to RTS and welcome back to another summer giveaway. Now this one is not only fun, but it's also special because it's just for my international subscribers only, because they get left out in the cold when it comes to giveaways here in the crafting community. And it's simply because the shipping has gotten so high when it comes to sending anything overseas. And so I want to make sure that I did include a giveaway just for my international gals because they mean a lot to me. So let's get on with how you can win this giveaway and what's in it. So I have a My Mind's Eye theme going on. A little bit of vintage, a little bit of shabby chic. Just a lot of fun. Yes, if you like paper and die cuts, this is where you need to be. So up first is that I have a 6x6 paper pad. Of course, by My Mind's Eye, Lost and Found. All three of these is by the Lost and Found. And so My Mind's Eye used to, back in the day, is that they would have a collection and then they would have sub-collections within that collection. It was confusing, but it was all lovely. So with this Lost and Found, this one is called Market Street, and I think you can see better what this is. Has a little bit of distressing on the sides. Very, very shabby chic. And then this one is Lost and Found Blush. You see the introduction of some purple and navy in there. Very, very pretty. These are 24 sheets, double-sided. Okay. I guess I could have flipped through that. This didn't have anything on it. So that's what it looks like. Okay. Let me see if there's anything. Oh, there's nothing on this one as well. And I'm talking quality paper. There is nothing wimpy at all about My Mind's Eye paper. Look at that. Very, very pretty. Got that turquoise, that coral, that purple and navy. And then this is the Lost and Found Breeze. And there you see the green and the navy. Very, very pretty. Oh, yeah, very, very pretty. Good for a lot of die cutting. And there may be something in the giveaway just for that. Okay, so there are 3 6x6 paper pads. So that would be what? 48 sheets? No, 48, well, whatever 24 times 3 is. That's how many pieces of paper is in that. And then along with that, I have some ephemera packs, die cuts. And I not only have 1, but I have 2, I have 3, I have 4, I have 5, I have 6, I have 7. Yes, I have 7 Lost and Found, what do they call them? Mixed bag. Yes, die cuts ephemera. Now in these 7 packs, ladies, that would be 350 die cuts, ephemera pieces, to go along with these 6x6 paper pads. Okay, so let's go over quickly, or not so quickly because I love looking at this stuff. And I'll show the back. And this one is Lost and Found Blush, which goes with this paper pad right here. But you can use these with any pages. And so that is what it looks like. Just very, very fun. Just a lot of different die cuts in there. And then we have Lost and Found Ruby, which is one of my favorite collections by My Mind's Eye. And you can see, because of the doilies, that's why I loved it, in this red. Now, I had the original papers from these collections of Lost and Found back in the day, and I still have some of them, and I really have enjoyed them all this time. Just really, and it has some numbers, some butterflies, but the doilies, I like that. Okay, so then the next one is Lost and Found Oliver, and you can see the color scheme again on this. And then again, there's the doilies, and then you have the die cut pieces, the banners, the birds. Very, very fun. There's that. The next one is Lost and Found Heirloom. Oh, yes, such great images if you're doing anything with heirloom photos, heritage photos, or just something if you wanted that vintage look, distress look. Again, the doilies, playing cards, that old-time camera. We all love that. The next one is Lost and Found Rosie. Now, if I flip it over, there you have some frames. And you see this bracket design here. That bracket design is basically in every one of these ephemera packs. And it's also represented in the paper pads. So you may see something coming up with that bracket. So keep that bracket in mind. And so then that is the Lost and Found Rosie. Then we have Lost and Found Union Square. Again, there's that bracket look. Okay, and a lot of these have glitter. And I was going to say foil, but no, it would be all glitter. That's what they have. And so very, very fun, very detailed. Okay. And then the last one is Lost and Found Market Street. And there, of course, is the Eiffel Tower. Isn't that nice? Okay. And then, oh, that has a little bit of slit. So be careful. That has a little bit of slit there. You don't want anything to fall out. And so, well, there's no small ones, so it should be okay. And so then, of course, there you can see there's the Alpha. And then, of course, there's some tickets, banner pieces, notch pieces. Very, very fun. So that is 7 My Mind's Eye Lost and Found die cut packs, and that is 350 pieces because there's 50 in each one of those bags. And then along with the 6x6 paper pads and these ephemera packs, I wanted to add in a die that I found because of this right here, because of this bracket. I thought that would really be good with whatever you wanted to use, because you could use this all together or add things from your stash, but I wanted to add this bracket in. And then also too, this is used as a slide, so again goes with that shabby chic vintage heirloom type of thing. And of course the heart, you can use that on anything and every day. Yes, so that is the giveaway for my international subscribers. 3 6x6 paper pads by My Mind's Eye, 7 ephemera packs, and they're all from that Lost and Found collection. And then also to this die, okay, and this die and embossing. Okay, now what do you have to do? Well, first of all, be a subscriber. Of course, if you're not a subscriber, you probably didn't even know there was a giveaway. And then also to be over 18, and then international only. Yes, how many times do you hear that? International only, meaning outside of the United States. And you have to leave one comment, and the comment would be, well, okay, this would be something fun. Okay, since we're talking about My Mind's Eye Lost and Found, how about you leave a comment of something that you have lost and then you found it? Oh, wouldn't that be for a fun giveaway? That would be so fun to read the comments. Yes, so something that you lost and you recently found. Maybe it's a glove, maybe it's a purse, maybe it's some money, maybe it's a lost love that you just recently found. Isn't that fun? Okay, so that is the giveaway. Definitely look below in the show notes. The full details for this giveaway will be listed below. And come back to RTS, because you never know what we're gonna do. Bye.